Hi, today I'll show you how we cut keys for Altro, Cruz, Sportak, and Taurus roof boxes in our online store based on the key code. From placing the order to picking up the finished key at a parcel locker, the process starts in our online store. To complete the service, you just need to provide the code found on the front of the lock you want to copy. When placing the order, the system will ask you to fill out a form and enter the code. Then you choose the delivery method and payment option via bank transfer, BLIK, or cash on delivery. If you need a professional key copy for your roof box, visit our online store. The link is in the video description. Once we receive the order, we start the process. First, we print the order containing the code provided by the customer. We use the modern Silka Futura key cutting machine, which mills the key with high precision, using the lock manufacturer's technical data. Based on the code, we enter the key's cutting parameters into the computer, allowing us to make a copy without needing the original key. The keys we offer for Altro, Cruz, Sportak, and Taurus roof boxes are reinforced and more durable than standard keys, which can bend or even break in the lock during use. After making the key, we carefully pack it to prevent damage during shipping and send it, in this case, to a parcel locker. It's worth explaining what the code actually is. The code is a series of numbers on the front of the lock installed in your roof box. Using this code, we can cut a key remotely, even if all original keys are lost and the box is locked. This method avoids replacing the lock and speeds up getting access to your box. The final step is picking up the finished key from the parcel locker. And testing it in the lock. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to catch more tutorials and behind-the-scenes content.